Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can add alert to iPhone calendar events. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your calendar application on your mobile phone. Once you open up the application, so here on the Sunday on 7th January, you can see a friend's birthday written on there. So this is the event that I have to attend, for example. So let me click on it. Here on the top right section, you can see the option called edit. Go ahead and tap on it. So once you tap on it, so I want to get alert on my friend's birthday, so I'll just go ahead and tap on alert. So here many options will be available on your mobile screen, whether you want to remind it that event on the day of the event, or 1 day before the event, or 2 days before the event, or 1 week before the event. So you can just select any options of your choice. You can also set a second alert as a backup, and once it's done, you are good to go. So this is how easily you can add alert to iPhone calendar events. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.